Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Pit Boss Pellet Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center and I'm going to be showing you part replacement and maintenance on a Pit Boss pellet grill. So in this video we're going to be replacing the fan on your Pit Boss pellet grill. Today we're using a Pit Boss 820FB, but because they use a similar burn system with every other Pit Boss pellet grill on the market, this can cross over to your Pit Boss at home. The first step in replacing your fan is going to be clipping all the zip ties holding your wires in place. You're going to want to use either wire cutters or scissors to do this, but make absolutely sure you do not clip any of the wires. Once those zip ties have been removed, we can then go ahead and remove all 4 screws holding your fan in place. Once the screws have been removed, the fan will actually come right down and you can disconnect the fan by the Molex connectors connecting it to the control board. After we've done this, we can actually just connect a new fan and reinstall it just in reverse.